Your contact form should look like it belongs on your portfolio. Today, I'll show you how to build a fully customizable contact form directly in Format's Flex Editor, so you can capture client inquiries without ever breaking your site's visual integrity. Open your Flex Editor, hit Add Element, and drop the contact form right into your canvas. There's no messy code to embed or third-party tools to wrestle with. Click Edit Form Fields to choose from 6 field types. I recommend keeping it focused. Name, email, and maybe a drop-down menu so you can sort project types or budgets before the inquiry even reaches you. Edit the label, add a description if it helps, toggle required on or off, and drag to reorder. Up to 15 fields total are possible. Now let's make it match your world. Because this isn't a third-party plugin, you have total design control. Set your background, borders, and button colors with your exact hex codes. In the Style tab, adjust the fonts and spacing so the form inherits your site's typography. Everything blends seamlessly into your page. Finally, go to Settings to customize your submissions message so your brand voice continues after they hit send. And because everything is built onto Format, those submissions bypass disconnected, messy email folders and land straight into your workflow inbox. Add a contact form to your portfolio today. Try it out in FlexBlock using the link below. Thank you for choosing Format.